Dear student, welcome back to Dr. Shrikant Pharmacy channel. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest pharmacy video. So today I came with the topic excretion of drug. Excretion of drug from our body. What is this excretion? What is this excretion? What are the different organs excretion in our body? And what are the specifically the renal excretion process we are discussing in this class. Okay, excretion is nothing but it is a process. What is this process? Drug or its metabolites irreversibly transferred from internal to external, means whatever the drug is entering into our body, upon the absorption, distribution, metabolism, that drug or its metabolite are to be removed from our body. Removed from our body, that process is called as an excretion. That process is called as an excretion. जो भी हम लोग दवा लेते हैं ना, जब अंदर जाने के बाद absorption, distribution, metabolism होने के बाद वो जो दवा या दवा का उसका मेटाबोलाइट जो रहता है ना, वो निकालते हैं ना बाहर से, बाहर अंदर से बाहर जब जाता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं excretion. Usually this excretion, if process is occurred through kidney, it is called as a renal excretion. And if it is other than kidney, say example lungs, salivary glands or biliary system, sweat, skin, intestine, then those are called as a non-renal excretion. जो भी दवा और इट्स का मेटाबोलाइट अगर किडनी थ्रू एक्सक्रीशन हुए तो उसको रीनल एक्सक्रीशन बोलते हैं. अगर अदर देन किडनी थ्रू से हुए तो उसको बोलते हैं नॉन रीनल एक्सक्रीशन. नॉन रीनल एक्सक्रीशन. सो रीनल एक्सक्रीशन done by kidney or through excreted by the kidney, so that is called as a renal excretion. If any drug or any metabolites or any components which is excreted by the kidney in the form of urine, so that is called as a renal excretion. Nephron is a main functional unit of kidney, and these nephrons are present in each kidney. Around 1 millions of nephrons will be present in the each kidney. And we'll discussing in detail the renal excretion. Renal excretion मतलब क्या हो जाता है? जो भी the metabolites or drug are excreted through the kidney, it is called as a renal excretion. Nephron is a main functional unit of the kidney. Around 1 million of nephron will be present in each kidneys. Okay, so let me discuss in detail the renal excretion. Renal excretion will be processed in our body. Mainly three important part are there. That is called as a glomerular filtration, first one, active tubular secretion and tubular reabsorption. So this is the figure which is showing the excretion of drug from our body. It mainly consists of a glomerulus. This is called as a glomerulus, and this part is called as a glomerular capsule, and the green I am showing that is the blood circulation of 1.2 liter per minute blood will be supplying to the kidney, and this part is called as a proximal tubule, that is number 2 I have designated, and number 1 glomerulus which is designated, and this is called as a loop of Henle, and this part is called as a distal tubule, and finally it is collecting as urine in the form of a collecting tubule. So this is the figure which represent the excretion process. So let me discuss what is glomerular filtration. Every minute 1.2 liters of blood will goes to the kidney and get filtered in the glomerulus. So this is the first point to be remember. This filtration is a semi-permeable walls. So जो भी glomerulus रहता है semi-permeable walls रहता है, that is called as a glomerulus capsule. And this semi-permeable will not be allow the filter through this. Say example are the RBC, WBC, platelet, albumin, globulin जो रहता है ना वो फिल्टर्ड नहीं करता है ग्लैमरुलर फिल्ट्रेशन. ओके, मतलब इट इज एन सेमी परमिएबल. फिल्ट्रेट कंटेन्स व्हाट फिल्टर, मतलब फिल्टर क्या होता है? वाटर, मिनरल, साल्ट, ग्लूकोज, हार्मोन्स, ड्रग्स एंड मेटाबोलाइट्स जो रहता है ना वो फिल्टर करता है। अगर आरबीसी डब्ल्यूबीसी प्लेटलेट जो रहता है ना वो फिल्टर नहीं करता, मतलब इट्स एन नथिंग बट इट्स अ बैरियर फॉर दीज थिंग्स एंड इट इज एन अलोवेबल फॉर द वाटर, मिनरल, साल्ट, ग्लूकोज, हार्मोन्स, ड्रग्स, मेटाबोलाइट्स जो रहता है ना आराम से निकल जाता है। Okay, so mainly the filtrate which contain the 130 ml per minute, so that is called as a glomerular filtration rate, glomerular filtration rate GFR, and it's the standard 130 ml per minute. In one day 180 liters per day the urine will be prepared, and among that 1.5 liters only excreted from the internal to outer side. Remaining the volume which will be continuously reabsorbed by our kidney, and thereby the excretion will be controlled and maintain the electrolyte and water content in our body. So water and unbound drugs and its metabolites only it will be passes in the glomerulus. So be remember, water and unbound drug will be passes from the glomerulus. So whereas the acidic and basic drugs and its metabolites will be passed through the proximal tubule. So where the carriers are present which will control the filtration of these things, and entire tubule is there na, this entire tubule will be reabsorption will be takes place, and the metabolic and drugs in urine which is not रीअब्जॉर्ब, जो भी यूरिन में कलेक्ट करते हैं ना हम लोग उसमें जो ड्रग और मेटाबोलाइट जो भी रहता है ना वो रीअब्जॉर्प्शन नहीं होता है। सो लेट मी डिस्कस व्हाट इज एन एक्टिव ट्यूबुलर सिक्रेशन। सो इन एक्टिव ट्यूबुलर सिक्रेशन विल कंटेन द नंबर ऑफ कैरियर्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट इन दैट। सो एस्केप्ड फ्रॉम ग्लोमेरुलस और एक्टिव सिक्रेशन विल बी टेक्स प्लेस इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कैरियर इट मे एक्ट एज एन अगेन द refiltration of that particular, and third part as a tubular reabsorption. In this part the renal tubule will be there na, that will be responsibility for the reabsorption of that particular drug as well as the metabolite and water, and the glucose, electrolytes, vitamin, minerals, amino acids, these are again and again actively passively reabsorbed until it become as a completely water soluble and hydraulic. So A क्लास से हम लोगों को क्लियरली ये जानकारी दे रहा है rate of excretion or the renal excretion is mainly depend upon the glomerular filtration, active tubular secretion and tubular reabsorption. जैसे glomerular filtration रहता है ना, एक 1.2 liters blood goes to the every minute. ये जो रूलर्स रहता है ना वो सेमी परमिएबल रहता है। जैसे समझ लीजिए आरबीसी डब्ल्यूबीसी इसको अलाउड नहीं करता है वो जाने के लिए, अगर वाटर मिनरल रहे तो वो जाने के लिए अलाउड करता है। ओके, सो 180 लीटर पर डे ये फिल्ट्रेशन करता है, लेकिन उसमें 1.5 लीटर ओनली विल बी एक्सक्रीटेड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरिन। सो 130 ml per minute, that is called as a GFR, that is a glomerular filtration rate. It is a main important for identification of the functioning of the normal functioning of the kidney. Okay, normal function of the kidney with respect to creatinine. जो भी अगर अल्ट्रेशन हो जाता है 130 ml में पर मिनट में, सो उसको बोलते हैं अबनॉर्मलिटी ऑफ द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द किडनी। ओके, सो जैसे ही यहाँ से फिल्टर होने के बाद नेक्स्ट क्या हो जाता है, प्रॉक्सिमल ट्यूबुल जो रहता है ना वहाँ पे कैरियर रहता है, वो कैरियर रहने से जो भी एस्केप फ्रॉम द ग्लोमेरुलस रहता है ना वो एक्टिव सिक्रेशन हो जाता है। उसके बाद ट्यूबुलर रीअब्जॉर्प्शन, ये पूरे चीज़ों में जो रीनल ट्यूबुल रहता है ना इसमें रीअब्जॉर्प्शन कंटिन्यूसली होते रहता है नंबर ऑफ टाइम। ओनली ग्लूकोज, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट, विटामिन, मिनरल जो बहुत ज़रूरी है हमारे बॉडी को वो एक्टिव और पैसिव से again and again reabsorption, again it will be entering into the blood circulation. Okay, so only the metabolic and drugs and it will be excreted in the urine, so that will be collected as a collecting tubule. मैं समझता हूँ ये क्लास से आपको बहुत ही सरल से एक्सक्रीशन मतलब क्या हो जाता है, एक्सक्रीशन का पर्टिकुलर लीनर एक्सक्रीशन मतलब क्या है बोल के। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।